Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys. Happy New Year. Guys, if you're interested in organic garden, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell that you can have all the latest update on our videos. All right, so today, guys, what we're gonna do today, we in the winter. This is the 2nd of January, and we don't want to wait. We have spring coming up, spring garden coming up, and we don't want to wait till the spring to put in these work, because we want, when the springtime come, our garden is actually in good shape, ready to plant. So as you can see down in this container here, this is where we have our compost. Down inside here we have all type of weeds that grows up in our garden, like pigeon peas. We have banana leaf, the banana trunk. We have eggplant leaf. We have pepper leaf. We even have pepper down inside here, as you can see. So we have all these going on. This has been going on for some months now. So basically today what we're going to be doing, we're going to store it up a little, pull all that's in the bottom to the top, store it up. We also have mushroom growing up down inside of here. So what we're going to do, we're going to store it up a little, store it up really good, and you're going to check. Just hold on a few minutes and you're going to see exactly what we're going to do with this compost. This is natural compost, guys. Nothing synthetic. It's all natural. If you notice, you're going to see that's banana leaf. All type of leaf we have. And what we do, we use leaf from every plant we have. We also use breakdown tree body. Like the tree trunk that breaks down, we also use that into our compost tea. So our compost tea is very rich, and this is good to boost our plants. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get this old cup here, and we're going to dip it down inside here, and we're going to get some of the compost tea. In these holes, these are holes we already add the tree bark that breaks down. We already add them into the holes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this and we're going to pour it in some in the hole. We're going to pour some in the hole, and we're going to pour some in the hole. This is how we prepare our soil for the garden season. We don't wait until the spring, because the spring, when you put it in the spring, it takes time. We want the soil ready and prepared. So when the spring and we plant, the soil is ready. So when you put the plant down into the soil, the plant just take off, because the soil already boosts and ready. So let's continue do what we're doing and let you guys see what we're talking about. In every one the hole, we're going to add in every one the hole. So all the holes that we open, we're going to add this in all the hole. We're going to add some to our onion as well. So this is a good way of boosting your soil, guys. Work on your soil now. Don't wait until the spring. Get your soil intact now. So when the spring comes, your plant is basically ready to go. All right, so let's pour some around our onion, and that's it. So we boosting the group. So this is help boosting the soil for the onion, guys. Because we're trying to get some big bulb of onion. So boosting it is one of the best things we can do right now. All right. So this is what we're going to continue doing, and we're going to continue do this till this whole garden is finished. We're going to continue digging. We're going to continue making the holes. We're going to continue adding compost in the hole, and we're also going to continue adding our compost into the hole. So for the next garden season, our garden will be striving beautiful as always.